Hello, my name is Chandramani Sharma, and in this video I'm going to discuss how AI, artificial intelligence, is going to impact our lives. So artificial intelligence, you'd be hearing this buzzword around you that AI is coming, automation is coming, it is changing everything on its way. So let's look around how it is going to change our lives. So the change is obviously going to be good as well as bad. Let's see. If we talk about AI, so before discussing further, let's understand so what basically AI does and what is the meaning of being artificially intelligent. AI is basically that discipline of science, or we may call it computer science, which involves the concepts from various other disciplines, the most prominent being the mathematics, computer science, cybernetics, statistics, economics, and other allied disciplines. So it involves the core part of AI is machine learning. So what is machine learning? That whatever a human being is doing, with the help of AI, we can write complex code which can learn those things the way humans do, or even in a better way. So whatever we are doing, whatever intelligence we have acquired is from learning. We learn from our birth, we learn good things, we learn certain bad things, then we continuously evolve our learning. In the same way, machines can be trained, the software systems can be trained, and they can perform the tasks in a similar way as human beings do. So machine learning is going to change the facet, and there are various tools, but in recent time there is a buzzword which we call as deep learning. Deep learning is able to train the complex systems with huge data. So if we talk about pattern recognition, currently humans are better to recognize patterns. We can recognize faces, we can recognize actions, we can recognize the objects. So the human mind is very good at recognizing patterns, basically the classification. We can classify, or we can distinguish one object from another object. But there are recent breakthroughs where machines are performing satisfactorily good, and in the time is not too far when they'll be performing at par or better than the human beings. So machine learning is going to change everything, and the tasks that we are performing, obviously computers will be doing that. If we talk about the households, or whatever tasks the humans are performing, so the day is not far away when these humans will be replaced with robots, and intelligent robots will be coming in our households. So if we talk about the workplace, then definitely the way the work is done in offices, definitely it will also be revolutionized, and there'll be intervention of AI. So data science is the area which is going to change everything. So data science, basically it is the science of data. So everywhere there is huge data. If you go to a shopping mall, or even if you are doing shopping on the e-commerce website like Amazon and other websites, then every day millions of records generate every day, and these records need to be intelligently processed. So out of the data, they find out the useful information, they find out the patterns, and the findings of those patterns are used to make decisions, the decisions for profit making. And right now these things are calculated manually with the Excel sheet and others, and the paradigm shift has started taking place when intelligent systems will be doing that, and they'll be processing huge amount of data. So big data analytics is already in place, and there is much research going on in developing new models, new theories, and new tools for doing the tasks of data science. And what will be the negative aspects of this artificial intelligence, which is basically to replace the human mind with the machines, to basically create a replica of human brain or human mind, and that will be in the form of machine. So there will be certain positive as well as negative aspects of this entire new paradigm shift. So let's talk about some of the positive things. If we talk about positive things, then definitely it will reduce the number of employees required in a business. So everything would be done in a more accurate and precise way, and where human and it will go beyond the limitation of human capabilities related to complex calculation, and it will have improved results in decision making, and definitely it will increase the profits of businesses, and it will create everything smart. So the concept of smart townships, the smart homes, will turn reality. So, and definitely it will make the lives of people convenient and comfortable, and definitely it will revolutionize every aspect of the world in a positive direction. And there are some negative sides of this revolution as well. The first being the transformation of job scenarios. So with the advent of AI, the scenario of jobs will change. A new skill set will be required, and it will be a challenge for everyone to find a job without the required skill sets. So it is very important to acquire the skills which are necessary for this AI. Now, what are the skills? We'll just discuss about the skills by acquiring which you can easily transit to the jobs of AI. So if you talk about the skills, the first skill is machine learning. What is basically the machine learning? For machine learning, you need to understand a couple of things, like you need to understand mathematics, and if we talk about more precisely, then you should be good at statistics. So if you're good at statistics, if you are good at creating statistical models, if you have the aptitude to see everything in the form of a mathematical model, then this field is for you. And next one is data science. So again, It requires the skills, the mathematical thinking, then analytical thinking, and to think in terms of digits. So data science is another area which will revolutionize everything. And then there is visual surveillance that you need to understand. And that's it. Thank you.